Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this bright and colorful fall ombre and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out. This bronze also by Creative Play called Bronzellation. I hope I said that right. Neon orange by Orly called Melt Your Popsicle. And yellow by Sinful Colors called Let's Meet. So on a clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply the yellow, the orange, and the bronze. I just thought this color combo really came out pretty. I love the finished look of it. Just made it a fun look, perfect for autumn time. But if you want, you can add red or green, any colors you want. But I just like this color combo. Now, I had to do the ombre a few times. It took me a while to get the colors to stick together because the bronze was the more pain in the butt to do. It didn't want to, hold on to the color. So I had to do this ombre several times to get the dark opaque color. I just wanted the colors to be really dark and perfect for autumn. And I love the finished look, like I said, of this whole look. Now, once I was done, I used my Pueen Secret Garden 01 nail plate to apply this pretty leaf design. I applied black stamping polish on it. You can add any colors. I could have added white, but I just thought by adding the black, it just brought the whole look together. In my mind, I just liked it like that. Like I said, I don't have no rhyme or reason. I just thought the black just brought it all together. Now, once I was done, I removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, I love this look. I hope I made it easy for you guys to recreate if you want. It's perfect for autumn. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.